Hi there, and welcome to the MPC Sample Academy. In this tutorial, I'm going to walk you through the process making your first hip-hop beat using the internal factory library. First thing we need to do though is set up a new project by holding down Shift and pressing Pad 16 and push the encoder for new project. Next we're going to load a drum kit, so hold down Shift and Project, go to Load, and from here we can load a drum kit. So we're going to load a drum kit called MPC Legends. Press the Load kit, and now we're going to be using the same sounds to build out our beat. Now we got samples on bank B, so just use the bank button, and then to go back to A, hold down Shift and it'll revert back. You can also hold down the bank button to jump between banks. Now let's hit the sequence button and our pads become empty sequences. So let's start by hitting an empty pad, which will be our first sequence. And we're going to hit the tempo button, use the encoder, and we're going to dial in a tempo. Now we're going to change our bar length from 2 to 4 bars by turning our knob 1. And we're going to keep our quantize on, correcting our timing. Now if you hold Shift and press metronome, we can now set our metronome into record mode. So now that we're ready to record, hit the sample button, and we're going to start our beat by laying down the foundation with our kick and snare. So hit sequence record and then play. And just start with a simple pattern that we can build on. Now that we've done our kick and snare, we're going to lay our hi-hat down. So let's turn our metronome off. Hold down Shift, press the metronome button. I'm also adding the open hat. Now that we've recorded our hi-hat, we can keep adding more samples over our beat. So you can choose whatever you want. I'm using the snap. Now we're going to use our top row of pads that have melodic samples assigned that will give us melody over our beat. So hit record and play. Now let's come out of record, and now I want to add like a shaker over this beat. So I've got a shaker on this pad here, adding a really nice shuffle over our groove. Now I'm going to add another snare over the top. So let's hit record. Now because we're using quantize, this is locking everything to the grid. Now you can just keep adding different samples and rhythms over the top of your own version of this beat. So that's our beat done. Now we're going to go to bank B by pressing our bank button, and we're going to lay down some vocal chops. So let's hit record. Now we're going to add a bass line. Using this one-shot bass sound, we're going to hit 16 levels, and this now chromatically puts the sound across the pads. This means that we can record our own melody. Hit record and lay down the bass. Now let's come out of 16 levels and we'll finish our beat adding some additional sounds. Now let's add some percussion using this shaker. Now to take this even further, we're going to go to our knob effects. So I'm going to hold down Shift, Effect Select, and I'm going to select a plugin called Vinyl Emulator, adding tape, vinyl and noise to our beat. Now we can even select the samples using the pads to apply this effect to. So now we can add some crackle, some tape drift and tone over our beat. You just use the knobs, you can dial in how much of the effect that you want. Now let's finish off our beat by holding down Shift, going into Flex Beat, and adding some rhythmical effects. If you use the mix knob, you can dial in how much of the effect you want. Thanks for watching this episode. See you on the next one.